Here in this video lecture, we will just uh, learn that the difficulty of the beggar. Here, the beggar needs chappals because it was the very hot summer, in which on the road he was barefoot and he has nothing to wear, and that's why he was unable to walk on the road. This was the this was the problem in front of the beggar. So all these three children started searching for chappals, and firstly they inquired each other that whether any of them have or not, but none of them have sleepers. So what happened? Rabi suggested both these girls, let's go inside the room and find out whether some sleepers are there or not. As soon as they went and started searching in the room, they found they went near the room where the sleepers of the music master was kept. And what they did, they silently went and took out the chappals of the music master and came and gave it to the beggar and came by the back door. Here Rabi to the beggar, dropping the slippers in front of the old man. And now Rabi dropped the slipper in front of the beggar. वहाँ पे गिरा देता है उसके सामने. Wear these and don't come back. The beggar stared at the sleepers, hurriedly flung his towel over his shoulder, pushed his feet into them, and left, muttering a blessing to the children. And now the children were blessings in disguise. They were just a very good persons. The children who understood the feelings, the crisis that the beggar was suffering, they understood his problem, and they went into the search of chappals and provided him. That's why the beggar went away happily and blessed a lot to the children. Now the music master coming out of the room and searching for his chappals, and is very much worried when he looks that the chappals missing from that place where he had kept. He inquired from each and every members of the family. Firstly he wanted to know from the Lali that have you seen my chappals which was kept here. She said that no, I don't know. Then Rukmani came, and each and every members of the family very much worried, and everyone were in the search of chappals in the room, but the chappal was not in the room because it was given to the beggar and the beggar has taken it away and gone. So the music master very angry, very annoyed, and said that it was a brand new, and the cost of this chappal, how much more than the fee of a month. Now Rukmani went towards three of the children who were playing marvels. छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो मार्वल्स खेलते हैं वो खेल रहे थे नीम के पेड़ के नीचे जहाँ पे बेगर था. एंड दे वांटेड टू नो दैट हु हैड seen. She said she gave lots of excuses, saying that sir, that sometimes vendors comes, beggars come, it may be someone has taken off your sleepers, and I am very sorry for this. You will be provided another one. Then after she went to inquire from her own children, and she was very much angry, showing her eyebrow towards the children, especially towards Mridu and Rabi, Meena. But these children, looking the annoyance of this lady, Rukmani, they understood, they said to themselves that if she had seen the sore on the feet of the beggar, she would not be so much angry about the sleeper. अगर ये उस भिखारी के पैर में जो फोड़े पड़े थे उस प्रॉब्लम को देखती तो शायद इस चप्पल के लिए इतना इनको गुस्सा नहीं आता. Taking a deep breath, she cried, Rukmani, there was a beggar here, poor thing, he had such a boils on his feet. बोला कि यहाँ पे एक बेगर था, उसके पैर में बहुत बड़े फोड़े पड़े थे. सो सेड रुक्मणी ग्रीमली टर्निंग टू रवि. अब गुस्सा में रवि की तरफ घूम के बोलती है, यू गेव द म्यूजिक मास्टर चप्पल्स टू दैट ओल्ड बेगर हु टर्न्स अप हियर. तो क्या तुमने उस भिखारी को दे दिया? चिल्ड्रेन दीज डेज ग्रोन्ड पट्टी. गुस्सा में बोली कि आज के बच्चे ना, अम्मा didn't you tell me about Karn who gave away everything he had. मुझे मत बताइए उस कर्ण के बारे में जिसने सब कुछ अपना दे दिया. इवन हिज गोल्ड ईयरिंग्स, यहाँ तक अपने सोने के जो ईयरिंग्स थे उसको भी दे दिया है. ही वॉज सो काइंड एंड जेनरस. वो इतना जेनरस था, इतना उदार था. सिल्ली स्नैप रुक्मणी, कर्ण डिड नॉट गिव अवे अदर्स पीपल्स थिंग, ही ओनली गेव अवे हिज ओन. तो यहाँ पे गुस्सा होकर रुक्मणी बोलती है, कर्ण दिया तो था लेकिन वो दूसरे किसी का संपत्ति नहीं दिया, वो अपना दिया था. बस तुमने तो दूसरे का चप्पल उठा के दे दिया, तुमने कौन सा पुण्य किया. बट माई चप्पल wouldn't fit the beggar's feet, Ravi rushed brashly on. And अम्मा, if they did fit, would you really not have minded. बोलती है कि ठीक है वो फिट नहीं किया, क्या अगर तुम्हारा चप्पल फिट हो जाता तो क्या तुम दे देते. रवि सेड रुक्मणी एवरी एंग्री नाउ, वेरी एंग्री नाउ, गो इनसाइड दिस मिनट. अभी तुम अंदर जाओ. गुस्सा में बोली, उसको डांटती है.